Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The last session saw the dollar gain 0.4% against the yen. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair dove 2.4% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The gold dropped 0.4% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair exploded 1.2% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Gold prices slipped as investors booked profits following a record high, yet remained bullish amid fears of a global trade war spurred by US President Donald Trump's new tariffs. The US dollar held onto earlier losses after Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell said the US central bank was in no rush to cut its short-term interest rate again. Traders are also watching for further announcements on tariffs by US President Donald Trump. Solana's native token, SOL, is currently trading over 30% below its all-time high of $295 from January the 19th. Traders' sentiment has worsened, according to SOL derivatives metrics, while the latest decline in Solana network activity could further dampen the odds of reclaiming bullish momentum.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US MBA mortgage applications will be released at 12 GMT, the US 10-year note auction at 18 GMT, the Portuguese Consumer Price Index at 11 GMT. Italy's industrial output will be released at 9 GMT, Japan's machine tool orders at 6 GMT, Japan's Producer Price Index at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.